Shimano. You may have known me from my fighting video. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It is a good video. Here I have a toy review from the, hold on, I have my phone on the charger, sorry. The Power Rangers Super Mega Force Pack. Look, you got the red Super Mega Force Rangers. You can't see, hold on. It's kinda messed up in my room. Got the red Mega Force Ranger, the logo. And what I'm reviewing is the Power Ranger Samurai action hero figure. Look, Power Ranger Samurai. Got Jaden, Red Samurai Ranger, or for some people, Shinken Red. As you can hear when the video started, as you can hear when the video started, you can hear the Shinkenger theme song playing. Sorry, action figure fail. I got this a few days ago. I just decided to do a review on it, and let's take a look at the box. You